Good day, each and everyone. Good day, each and everyone. I'd like to welcome you back to my YouTube channel, guys. Today's lesson, as you can see, the question paper on the screen, it says Computerized Financial System and 4, guys. Today, I'll be focusing on your cash flow, which is also called your cash payment, guys. For those who are still new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you can be notified when I post another content, guys. Okay, we're doing CFS N4. I'm just continuing from what I was doing, guys. I related your general balances, your source document, I did that, your suppliers, allowances, and the suppliers general, guys. So today I'll be focusing on your cash flow. Okay, let's go to the question paper and see the information of the cash flow. Okay, as you can see, cash flow payments, we're still under period 1, guys. The following batch is a summary of cash flow payments made during July 2018, guys. The last cash flow voucher was 107. It means when we're going to process this vouchers, we should start with 108 going upwards, guys. The one on the 6th is gonna be 108. The one on the 12th is gonna be 109. The on the 18th, 110. The 24th, which is the last voucher we have, is 111, guys. It's very easy, but please pay attention to your amounts, guys, of these vouchers. As you can see, they say let's focus on the one on 6/07/2018, the first voucher. The amount is 50 rand, guys, but the examiner of the question paper won't tell you that this amount does it include VAT or does it does not, guys. So it is your duty, guys, to know whether this amount does it include VAT or it doesn't, guys. And another thing, for your details, they won't tell you, guys. Like for an example, look at the description of the first voucher. It says tax shop money / owner's daughter, guys. So it's very important for you to know your accounts, guys, because as you can see, our first voucher, I've already seen that this voucher will fall under your drawings, guys, because the owner's daughter took money from the shop, guys. Okay, the second one, okay, I'm not gonna focus on the amounts. The amounts I'll tell you, guys. Okay, I'm just gonna focus on your description where it says for. As you can see, they say buy sugar, milk, tea for staff perform Bayside, guys. So this one we can link it under your refreshments account, guys. The one on the 18th, it says Voda C airtime, guys. This one is supposed to create a sub account, guys, under telephone and fax for airtime, guys. It means telephone and fax is a main account, guys. So when you need to create a sub account, you're gonna use the code. Let's say for telephone, the main account says, let's say it's 4000/000. You can be able to tell that account is a main account. When you need to create, you're gonna use 4000. Then it's gonna tell you that this account will be linked to a certain account, which is the main account. Then what you need to do under slash, you need to insert any column. It can be 001, 002, depending on how many sub accounts you do have for that main account, guys. The last one, it says LMA computers. Okay, this one we can link it under your equipment at cost, guys, or office equipment, guys, at cost. It's fine. Okay, let's go. Our third voucher, where it says create a sub account, guys, I'm gonna emphasize, guys, and show you that it's very easy for you to create this one, but I'm gonna show you on the system, guys, even though I already did to my previous videos. For those who want to know how to create an account, a general account, or suppliers, or a customer, or adding an event, guys, please go watch my previous video. Then when you let's say you're moving forward, guys, you know what to do exactly. Okay, cool. Let me go to my system. Okay, we're still using pastel partner, guys. Pastel partner. Remember, like I've said, if you need to record anything, guys, we need to use process, guys. Okay, since we processing your cash, your petty cash, we're gonna say process cash payment. Okay, cash books, then process cash books, guys. Then this one you can press yes. It's very easy, guys. Okay, cool. Still loading. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Okay, we here, these are your cash payment journals, guys. As you can see, we have your cash, we have your payment and your receipt, guys, but we're not recording or processing our cash payment journals. We're looking for a petty cash or cash float. Sometimes you can write the cash float here, guys, or petty cash is one and the same thing. Okay, still loading. Remember, when you processing your journals, guys, we're supposed to go to your settings, right, and activate our tags. Okay, let me go back to the question paper before I can even, let's say, process my tags. I want to show you something. Like I've said, the amounts, you only have amounts, guys, but it's very difficult for you to know whether this amount, do they include VAT or they don't. But guys, these amounts do not include VAT. They don't include VAT. So when you're supposed to process your tax, guys, please select this exclusive, guys. It means whatever amount you're gonna put under inclusive, it doesn't include tax, guys, then the system will calculate your tax on your behalf, guys. Another thing, this one, increment references, guys. Like they've said, our last voucher was 107, guys, which is we're gonna process starting on 108, right? Then here, guys, if your settings under your increment references you've selected no, it means, guys, let's say our first voucher, the 106, our reference supposed to say 108. We put 108, right? Then we inside description, everything. That when we process to the next line, guys, our references will remain the same, which is wrong, guys. Your increment supposed to increase. But if, let's say, we were processing our general journal, then our references are not supposed to increase, they should remain the same. Then this no will only apply to your general balances and your suppliers general balances, guys, only. But for your journals, guys, if you want your reference to increase, you need to select yes, which means if, let's say, the first one is 108, the next one automatically will be 109, the next one 110, the system will automatically insert the references on your behalf, guys. Okay, hope I was loud and clear, guys. Okay, cool. Remember, then also check your period. Be under period 1, guys, please rectify that one. Okay, under what period 1, you need to select period 1 as well. Okay, period 1, as you can see. Then okay, cool. Okay, it's fine. Then our date. Okay, guys, there's something this question paper is for a different company. That's why my dates, like as you can see, when I open this, my period 1 is March, which is maybe because I'm using LAN, I'm no longer using a off-start company, guys. Sorry, guys, I have flu today, so it might be difficult for you to hear me or something, but I will try to be loud so you can hear each and everything I'm saying. Like I've said, I'm using a different company with a different question paper, guys, so it doesn't matter when you're writing your prelims or your finals, guys, or your test, your periods will be correct, guys, so it doesn't matter. But it's very important for you to know that you need to record your cash payment journals under the period they said you should record, guys. If it was period 12, we were supposed to select period 12 here, but it doesn't matter. The date of our first voucher is 06 07 18, guys, and press tab, guys. Nah? Okay, it's fine. Okay, cool. We have GCS before I can even like process my vouchers, guys. Guys, if you don't know what does G or C or S means, guys, you're in trouble. Because sometimes, let's say, like, especially when you're processing your cash payment channels, guys, or your receipts. Let's say your receipt can affect your customers and your general ledgers, guys. So if you don't know that when you need to process your customer, you need to select C, guys, you won't find whatever customer you're supposed to find when you're processing your cash receipt channel, guys. So C stands for general ledger, G general ledger, C customers, S suppliers, guys. So it's very easy for you. If you want your supplier, you should be able to open this and select CS for suppliers. If you want C, you select C, guys. Anyway, we're now doing our general channel. Like I said, the first voucher, guys, will be recorded under drawings, guys. Sometimes when you're searching for your account here, guys, they might not write drawings, guys, here, but they will, let's say shareholders loans. This is also drawings, guys. Please, guys, go and learn your accounts, because if you do not, this is color, guys. Okay, cool. You can copy the description as it is, like what I'm doing here. Copy the description and paste. Okay, cool. But remember, yours, the question paper will be a hard copy, guys, so you won't be able to copy, guys, but you'll be able to type it, guys. So our first amount is what? 50 rand, guys, because amount doesn't include VAT, this one. So when press tab, automatically the system will calculate the tax on your behalf. As you can see, our tax is on one. So the first one, or the second, sorry, I'm done with the first one. It's very easy. The second one, 1207 2018. Okay, cool. I've said this one can link it under your refreshments. 07 2018 tab. Okay, cool. That's because I'm using a different company, that's why. Okay, cool. But guys, what happens if, let's say, I'm looking for refreshments, but I can't seem to find the refreshments under your general ledger account? Remember, you can create the account from the scratch, guys. But you should be able to know that referencement, it is a income or an expense or a fixed asset, guys. You should know your accounts, guys, so you can be able to link it under the correct financial category in your report writers category, guys. But anyway, my refreshments is expenses, guys. So when you need to create a account, guys, you go to the last one. If, let's say, we were doing income, we're gonna go to the last incomes, guys. Like, as you can see where my cursor is at, my last expenses is 4,650, guys, right? Which means to the next one I can say 4,700, because I do not have that code, guys. Okay, cool. 4,700, and my refreshment is a main account. So you don't have like your slash 001 or 0 something now. You just have your code, which is 4.7 only. Then you can be able to see that the account is a main account, guys. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, guys, as we're going the family, guys. It's gonna help you. Okay, cool. My system, as you can see, then I press tab, then is refreshments, refreshments. Okay, my refreshments, it is an income account, guys. That's where I find my expenses. Even under your report writers is for expenses, guys. Then you save. Okay, while it processing, let me call the description, guys, so I can to paste it. copy it there. Okay, cool. We're done. We're gonna close this. Then go find your account for refreshments, guys. Then it's what's 4,700. You can type the code. Then you'll be able to find. As you can see, my references are increasing, guys. Which is, I know that it's cool. Let me paste my description. Remember yours. You have to type it because your option paper will be a hard copy, guys. Okay. Bye. Okay, cool. Checks. Standard rate of 14% is okay. This one. The amount is 125. Okay, 25. 125 and price tab. Okay, cool. The next voucher 18. Okay, this one is a special one, guys, because they said we need to create a sub account for a telephone and fax, guys. So let me show you how it's done. Okay, cool. Okay, let me remind you. Vodacom C airtime. Create a sub account under telephone and fax for airtime. Our account, guys, is gonna be called Vodacom C/airtime, guys. Okay? It's a sub account for telephone and fax. Like I said, you need to find the account for. Let's say we need to find for telephone and fax, guys. To check the code of the main account, as you can see, the main account is 4,600, guys. So when we need to create a sub account, you're gonna say 4,600. Eventually, the system will tell us that that account is the main account. If you need to create, then you'll be able to create a sub account, guys. Let me show you. When I press add, it's still loading. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Don't forget to tell others, guys, for our channel. Don't forget to comment, guys. If you have any suggestion or have any problems regarding CFS, guys, post it under the link comment section, guys. The comment section, under the comment section, then I'll be able, guys, to help you, to assist you to whatever problem you might have. Okay, the code is 4,600. When you press enter, eventually, guys, this one will tell you that a telephone and fax, that's a main account for this code, but you need to create a sub account. I can press 01, guys, then I press my tab. Remember, it's supposed to be called Vodacom C/airtime. Airtime, right? Don't stress about your financial catalog. As you can see, the system will link the information for telephone and fax, guys. As you can see, I'm unable to select anything from here, but anyway, it's fine. I'm gonna save here, guys. Okay, now it's done, guys. We need to go like what you did with the refreshments. You need to go find it, guys. 4,600. But I'm looking for a sub account for this one, guys. Then you put tab. Still my references, guys, are increasing, as you can see. I'm now under 110. Okay, cool. Slash is what? Is for what? Is for airtime. I'll just write for airtime, guys. Then how much was it? It's 25. Cool. I'm about to do the last one, which is on the 24/07 2018. Okay, cool. Like I've said, we can link this one under office equipment. Okay, let's find office equipment. As you can see, office equipment that cost, guys. Okay, cool. I can use this one or use this one. Computer equipment or office equipment. Let me use the office equipment, guys, for this one. Still fine. Don't forget that. Don't stress about your references. As you can see, they're increasing just because your settings are correct, guys. I'm gonna paste the description of this one, but forgot to LAM. Okay, cool. My checks. Pay attention, guys. You need to Make sure your text is activated. Okay, cool. 123 123/45. Okay, cool. I'm done, guys, with my petty cash. This is what they've said I need to process, guys. It's very easy, as you can see. It's very easy. I'm gonna go back to this. Okay, it's very easy. Okay, let's go to the question paper, guys. Before you can even print anything, guys, please go to your question paper and see how they want you to print your cash flow. As you can see, they said they want a cash flow payment journal, guys, which is when you're done with your cash payment journals, you can just print, guys. Here, print with contact account. Remember, guys, you want to show something how it's supposed to look. Cool. Okay, this is your cash flow payment journal, guys, or petty cash payment journal. It's supposed to be like this, guys. This is what the question paper said we should print, guys, because there are two ways, guys, that where an examiner can ask you to print a cash flow, guys. Sometimes the examiner can say print a cash book details, guys. They still want this petty cash part under your cash book details, guys, which is when they want it that way, you're supposed to say update, guys, update this one system, update payment batch. It's fine, you're not updating, but when updating, the information will disappear. As you can see the screen, my cash payment is now my petty cash is now empty, but anyway, it doesn't matter because I already updated. Then if you want to, if the question paper said you should print your cash book details, guys, you go to view, but after you have updated your cash payment channel, guys, your petty cash or cash flow, whatever, the different terms to listing, but it's one and the same thing, guys. You go to view general ledger, but under your transaction, guys, transactions, you go to cash book details, guys. Okay, cool. This one, okay, it's fine. Yes, I want to open the pages. Can we wait for it? It's very important to subscribe to get those notification bell, guys. Okay, still loading. Okay. Okay, also check the period, guys. Okay, cool. We under period 1 is fine. Okay, cool. To period 12, it doesn't matter. Then check when, if they said you should show totals only or whatever. Okay, cool. Just because the question paper didn't say we should print cash book details, but I'm showing you if they do ask, guys, they're gonna be like instruction where you say show totals yes or no, something like that. Okay, cool. I will not touch anything. I'll just show you on the screen how a cash book looks, guys. It's still a cash flow, remember. This is our cash petty cash, guys. This is a cash book details, guys. This is a cash book details. It's supposed to be like this. Okay. Thank you for tuning in, guys. Till next time. I'm out.